Sitting here in this bed, thinking about the times we spent. Boy, I really love you, but you don't seem to care. Tell me. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see by the title, today I'm back with another cooking video, so you won't be seeing much of me. Guys, I'm gonna be doing some saltfish and baked bean with rice. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a video. Follow me on our social media platform, guys. But without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So guys, so far I already have the saltfish on the stove boiling. There's the baked bean and stuff right there, guys, you know. And I'm gonna wash these dishes up, so enjoy watching me. I know some people like seeing dishes get clean, guys, so you know, this is just a day in my life, what I'll be doing. So guys, watch me as I clean the dishes. So guys, I'm finished washing the dishes. As you can see, sink is cleaned. Dishes are over there packed. My sister's home. So, and the saltfish is finished boiling, so. Saltfish, what are you making? Saltfish. So guys, I'm gonna get this.
Wait a minute, Jeremiah.
So guys, for this part, as you can see, I was draining the saltfish because I'd boiled it to get rid of the salt. And yeah guys, that's basically it. And then I started to cut up the seasoning. Guys, I had to mute the sound because my dad was playing music in the background. So yeah, I was cutting up the seasoning, guys. And yeah, as you can see, guys, don't mind the TV in the background, I'm watching something. So yeah, so far I have that cut up, guys. I have the saltfish. So guys, basically at this point I added the baked bean, the saltfish, and I'm mixing it all together, guys. Then I'm gonna get some seasoning to put on it. First I add some black pepper, you know, black pepper. Then guys, after I added the black pepper, I took up the salt, guys, to put in it. Then I forgot that it's saltfish, so I put it back. I didn't put any in there. Then I went for the all-purpose seasoning, guys, just, you know, to give it some flavor. And then I'm gonna add some garlic powder, guys, because I didn't put any garlic inside of it. And basically what I'm gonna do now is just mix it all together and leave it there to steam, guys. You know, mix it all up and leave it there to steam for a couple minutes, not long, because these stuff are basically cooked already. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna make some mac and cheese, guys, for sides. So yeah, I'm gonna make mac and cheese for sides because we love mac and cheese. So basically the food is almost done. The rice is there. I think I'm gonna check on it soon. I think I checked on it. So yeah. You're still in love with me, like the way you claim to be. Am I still your baby?